got a little, I'm not sure how to say that, papias. It says Inox springs made in Brazil. It's got some decent bit in, but it looks like it's only got 3 pins, maybe 4. I don't know if the key works, it doesn't reach, but I'm assuming it does. It's so small, I can't actually get it in the bloody vise. Close it up a little bit. Okay. The top of the keyway. So I can turn the connector the right way around. A little bit loose, but it will do. Right then. So click at a 1, 2, get a 3, get a 2, a little bit false set. Can't move 1. Counter. Must be spools in there. Counter on 2. It's a little lock, it's very strange. It should have spools, and I thought it was going to be a pushover. I may have overset something now. Wasn't expecting that. Fooled me. Let's start again. Okay, so now we know there might be a spool in here. 2. Counter on 2. 3. Into the false set. Count. So that picking the water and counter. That's into a deep false set. It's definitely got spools in. I don't think it's 1, 2. Wrench is slipping. 2 feels good. Not actually sure that pick has got enough lift. It's a little bit more lift if it'll go in. Excuse the bloody noisy washing machine in the background. Back of the false set. Come on, you little bugger. 1 feels good. 2. Such light tension on, wrench is falling out. Seriously, dude. Can't hear myself think. Got it gone there. Jesus, that was hard work, wasn't it? Made hard work of that. Wonder what's inside. It felt like 3 spools. Yeah, it works beautifully. I just couldn't pick it. Still, I'm quite happy to get that open. I haven't been able to pick anything lately. I've been going through a picking drought. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Okay, guys, you just watched me pick this. I also have the son of the baby brother, even smaller. The CR20. And the other one didn't say. So this one's even tinier. Again, I think it's 4 pin. 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. No, maybe 5. This is absolutely tiny. Nope. Bit of focus issues. There we go. Okay. Let's hope this one isn't as hard as the bloody last one. The big one was full of bloody spools. All 3 of them. 1, 2. That pissing washing machine's getting on my nerves. Ah, no, this one's just fallen out. But oh well, something's got to go my way today. It does work beautifully. Wouldn't want to lock much up with that one. This one I would. This is nice. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And while I'm doing tiny locks, I got this little Yale here. It's a YE125 4-pinner. Let's have a quick go at this as well. Maybe we can make a triplicate video. But having said that, I've got something trapped there. Let's put that up on top. Okay, let's have a quick go at this one. Must hold the tension wrench tighter. Okay. Oh, thank God for that, the fucking washing machine stopped. Spoke too soon. Even the little Yales are bloody hard work. I'm assuming this works anyway, this Yale. There we go. Jesus, focus is piss poor. Only just realised that. Sorry, guys. Oh, I did open it. Let's look on the bright side. There we go. My trio of little baby locks. Thanks for watching, guys.